There's a $47 part in your Hemi that fails at exactly 80,000 miles. Like clockwork. When it fails, your engine overheats. Coolant everywhere. Highway breakdown. And you're looking at $3,000 to $6,000 in damage. A Mopar mechanic just told me, quote, I replace this exact part every single week on Hemis between 75,000 and 90,000 miles. Most predictable failure I've ever seen. End quote. Today I'm showing you which part, why it fails, and how to replace it before you're stranded. The part is your thermostat housing assembly, $47. Sits on top of your Hemi engine. Here's the problem. Ram uses a plastic and aluminum housing. Plastic warps from heat. Aluminum doesn't. After 80,000 miles of expansion and contraction, the plastic cracks. First you smell coolant. Then you see the temperature gauge climbing. Then steam pours from your hood. By then, it's too late. Our mechanic says 85% of Hemi overheating cases, this part, always between 75,000 and 95,000 miles. Warning signs you're missing right now. Small coolant smell after driving. That's a hairline crack forming. Coolant level dropping slowly. The crack is growing. Temperature gauge running hotter than normal. You're weeks from failure. Dried coolant residue around the housing. Replace it today. Most people ignore these signs. Then they're on the highway when it fully cracks. Coolant gone in minutes. Engine destroyed. The solution is simple. Replace it before it fails. Two options. Option 1. OEM Mopar housing. $47. Lasts another 80,000 miles. Good if you're trading the truck soon. Option 2. Upgraded full aluminum housing. $90. Brands. Misamoto, Stant, Gates. Never fails again. Our mechanic recommends this. Spend 40 extra bucks once, never worry about it. Installation is easy. Do it yourself in 1 hour with basic tools. Or pay a shop $200 to $400. Compare that to $3,000 to $6,000 if it fails. Tow truck, head gasket, possibly warped head. All from a $47 part. Here's your action plan based on mileage. Under 60,000 miles, monitor coolant monthly. Plan replacement at 75,000. 60,000 to 75,000 miles. Inspect for cracks now. Replace during your next oil change. Over 75,000 miles. You're in the danger zone. Replace it this week. Don't wait. Our mechanics rule. Quote, any Hemi over 75,000 miles. I point at this housing and say it will fail within 10,000 miles. Replace it today. End quote. He's right 90% of the time. Now here's what I need from you. First, what's your current mileage? Drop it in the comments right now. Second, have you already replaced your thermostat housing? Tell us what happened. Third, if you're over 75,000 miles and haven't done this, make this your priority this week. Don't gamble with your engine. Hit subscribe for more Hemi maintenance that saves you thousands. This channel exists to keep your Ram running forever. Next video, I'm covering the other common failure point at 100,000 miles. You don't want to miss it. A $47 part. Predictable failure. $3,000 consequence if you ignore it. The best repair is the one you never have to make. Replace it now.